Good evening, my friends, and hello from the Helios Grand. It's happening. We are here. I have goosebumps. Just doesn't seem real. Let's just get right to it. I do want to say a massive thank you to Universal for having us out. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. Out front here, this is where you can find the parking garage. This is where you will pull up. They do offer valet. And the valet window is right there. Front entrance. And then we have this beautiful sign on the way in. And then the pool is just right over here. And then we have the bus station right over in this direction. Look at this. This hotel is so freaking massive. Unreal. I wanted to show you a closer look at the valet window with the pricing. We are now inside of the Helios Grand Hotel. Look how stunning this place is. It smells so brand new. We have the Universal Vacation Planning Center where you will pick up your park tickets, express passes. You want to upgrade anything. Wow. There's Floria. Wow, 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 wow. Look at the flowers. Oh, this place is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's Epic Universe right there. Oh my goodness. As soon as you walk in, we have the Vacation Planning Center. And then over this way, we have check-in. This is crazy. And over here, we have the Aurora Market, which is the quick service grab and go location. And then to the left-hand side of check-in, this is where you can find the Universal Studios store. And then on the back side of the Aurora Market, look at this. The park entrance of Epic Universe, this way. And then we have the elevators that will take you to your room. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's moving. It's very celestial. Whoa, even look at the ground here. It looks very celestial. Everything just blends in so well. That's Epic Universe right there, my friends. We can see it. I'm just taking in this moment. Whoa. Oh, we can see Stardust right over there. What the heck?
Guests will walk into that reception service will walk into.
There's no menu out just yet, but how fancy is this? Looks like they're going to have some pastries, coffee, grab and go items such as sandwiches. They have a Coca-Cola freestyle machine right there. Some grab and go candy and chips. And then we can see the elevators right there. And then it also looks like you'll be able to sit outside and enjoy this view of Epic Universe while enjoying your morning cup of coffee. They have packets of liquid IV. Nice touch, Universal. Here's the resort refillable mugs. I love this logo of Helios. I mean, how grand is that logo? Okay, we are starting at the pool. Here we are.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is anyone familiar with the lotus flower and its properties?
Yes.
And all your worries fade away at Lotus Lagoon.
Jeez. I don't think video is doing this hotel justice. I mean, it's giant. We have pool services right here.
Yes, it is.
What
So
is
the pool
that?
itself has about 400 lounge chairs. There are 18 cabanas. We have 3 VIP grand cabanas that are on the opposite side of the restaurant. They do have waterfront access. The cabanas themselves do come with a TV, a refrigerator that's stocked with sodas, bottled waters. It seats up to 6 guests. It also comes with a fruit platter, your own dedicated cabana butler and server. The guests can order food anywhere on the pool deck. So if they're in a lounge chair, in a cabana, if they're lounging in the water, at the hot tub.
See Dark Universe right over there? I mean, this is so beautiful. We have zero entry right here. Look at this pool. Wow. I mean, that is Monsters Unchained right there, the show building. I can hear it. These lounge chairs are very soft and plush. Have the umbrellas. I mean, this pool does not end. I mean, this place is grand. I don't know how else I can explain it. It's beautiful. I love the design. This feels so luxury, so high end. Plenty of lounge chairs, just plenty to do at this hotel. And it's all right on the other side of Epic Universe. I mean, come on, it's attached to the park. It just cannot get any better. I can't wait to stay here for a fun weekend during the summer. I'm sure they're gonna be having some nice music playing, and outstanding job, Universal. I knew this place was going to be stunning, but it's more than stunning. It's grand. I mean, I can't wait till you guys see it with your own eyes, how massive this hotel is. Good job, Loews and Universal. And here's the hot tub right off to the side, right by the bar. I can't go too far, but here's a closer look at the Lotus Lagoon Bar. Looks very fancy. There's some tables and chairs set up. The restrooms are right there. I can't believe Dark Universe is right there. It's crazy. I like how they have added these showers. That way you can rinse off before heading back up to your room. And then of course they have life jackets. Here's a closer look at one of the cabanas. Very nice. TV, fan, refrigerator with a locker down there. And of course you have your privacy if needed. Oh, the electricity, I can hear it. Wow. That's how close we are. So that's Curse of the Werewolf right there. We can see some mist from the fountain inside of Dark Universe. And then that's Monsters Unchained. I can hear everything. Imagine having a view like right over here, right into Dark Universe. Passing by the fitness center. Also, fun fact, this time matches the time of day. So you can tell what time it is by looking at the stars and how they align. In the morning, the sun will actually be showing, and because it's in the evening time, as the sun is setting, you can see the moon right there. I can't believe how it mimics the time.
Anticipate.
I know. This is like the thing. Everyone's
And here we are. Oh my goodness. That's Epic Universe right there.
I'm sorry. I completely cut you off.
Beautiful. Restrooms. Oh, no way, Universal. Hello. How beautiful is this? No way. What is this? At the end here, you can find the Helios Grand Hall, which is a ballroom that you can rent out. I love the addition of the patio. That's the park. That's the park, guys. I don't know if we can go outside just yet. Nice bourbon collection. A fun fact that I just learned, when you see the names at the bottom here, all the way around, these are names of the Universal creative team who built this place. What a neat touch. I'm sure there's a lot more hidden Easter eggs. I can look at this all day. I love these chairs and the design of them. I also really like the gold touches, just because there's so much gold in this area. It all blends in very well together. I just wanted to take a second to sit down and enjoy this moment with you all. This bar is everything I thought it would be. Epic views, great drinks, great atmosphere. I mean, this is a sexy bar hangout space. I mean, this place is going to be busy every night. It's so elegant in here. It's just something Universal can only pull off. It's just the most simple things that make such a huge difference, and I don't know what to say anymore. My heart is racing. I feel like I'm gonna throw up a little bit because I'm just so excited and so just overwhelmed and anxious and just happy. That's Epic Universe, everyone. I can't believe I'm looking inside of the park with the camera. From all of the construction updates over the years. There's Stardust. We can see Minecart Madness. There's Stella Nova. All right, we have to go. That's it. Oh, this was amazing. Thank you so much. This place is great. Thank you, my friend. All right, and here's a first look at a 2-queen theme park view room. Room number 648 on the 6th floor. We have a full-length mirror. Closet. Oh my gosh, this view, no way. Closet. There's your safe. They have laundry. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks just like the concept art to the T. This is amazing. You have your thermostat. Oh, there's an iPad. Huge TV. Coffee machine. You have your refrigerator, drawers, ice bucket glasses, little vanity, telephone or a desk. These beds look so comfortable. I love the colors. Look at this view. No way. That is Epic Universe, my friends. What the heck? Oh, this view is just worth the price. Yeah, I want to learn more about this iPad. I'm sure it operates just like how the iPad operates over at Aventura. Outlets, USB ports, reading lights. That's what a adjoining room looks like. And then here's the bathroom. I love the colors and the design choice. This hotel is so elegant. Shower. Oh, I like how there's a bench. Can we open this? Oh, it slides. Yeah, look at that bench. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I mean, imagine waking up to this amazing view of Epic Universe when you stay in one of these park-facing rooms. These are perfect. Also, the artwork will change depending on what level you're on. There's the game room. You can't see too much. Oh, from the front here, we can see a little bit of the Ministry of Magic. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for today's video from the Helios Grand. It opens with Epic Universe on May 22nd, 2025. Let me know down below in the comments, are you going to be staying here? Do you have something booked already? Are you looking forward to it? I mean, just the theme park view alone, and then the pool. This place is stunning. I love this place. Universal Orlando is now a true destination. You can come here, spend all week. 4 theme parks now. I mean, come on. But I have to go. They're kicking us out. I really appreciate the time, Universal. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. I would not be here if it wasn't for each and every one of you. And stay tuned, because tomorrow we will have content from inside of Epic Universal. Have those notifications turned on and set to always. I gotta go. Let me know what you thought of Helios down below in the comments. I can't wait to come back and stay here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. I love you guys so much. Please remember, it's nice to be nice on YouTube. I will see you in the next video. I'm out. See you soon, Dark Universe. See you soon.